Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that tap to the settings and click to voice section. Then select voice match, and to activate OK Google feature we should click here once on the switcher. Now let's tap here to the next, read the description, click to yes I agree, click to continue, net now, and we can see that the Hey Google feature successfully activated. But now we should add our voice model, so click here to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, reminds me to water my plant every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So now let's tap here to the finish. And that's it. Now just Hey Google feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.